Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white pattern shirt with maroon faded jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try teal t-shirt with grey jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try orange and blue printed shirt with white pants and tan slippers. Next you can try green striped shirt with olive green pants and tan loafers. Next you can try black t-shirt with tan pants and black boots. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with sky blue faded jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try green printed half sleeve shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with tan pants and black sandals. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with greyish white pants and tan loafers. Watch this video to know 35 brown color outfit ideas.